Hello guys, welcome back, and here is another video today, and this one is another tea, special one. I hope you like the videos. We are doing a lot of teas here, and you can choose which one you like. You can try them at home, and I'm sure you will like most of them, or even all of them. And here we are going to make another tea, and this one is another specialty, and this one will have fennel seeds and cardamom and honey. So for that, you just get a bit of fennel seeds. I'm not going to put a lot, I'm going to put a bit fennel seeds, and we are going to add cardamom to this. Cardamom is really good and gives a really good taste to your tea and the smell as well. And to this I am going to add the tea bag. Here goes the tea bag. Now you just have to close this, and it goes in here, and we are going to add boiling water, and here's boiling water. Now here's boiling water, and we are going to add honey to this tea here. There is a piece of cardamom, so I will take it out. Here is your tea here. I am not going to make it very strong, so I will take this out in like a couple of seconds. You can see the color. The tea is looking good. It's a bit dark, which is the way I want. So now the tea has all the smell and the flavor, and it is dark enough for me. I don't want it very strong, so I will take it out. And we are going to add honey to this. Now, there's the honey. And I am going to add a bit more water. Just a bit more water. And you can see how beautiful this looks. And this smells really good. Just give it a stir here. And here is your beautiful tea. This tea has fennel seeds, cardamom, and honey. And this is really good. I hope you will try this at home. Do try it with your family. Do it for your friends. I'm sure everyone will love this tea. And please like my videos. Do subscribe to my channel. And I will see you in the next video. Thank you.